Hey beaters, Mandy here with Bead Woven Dreams. Hoping you all are having a wonderful, beautiful, beautiful day today. So, I don't even want to get into why this took me so long to get to this kit giveaway. I planned it, and then one thing happened, another thing happened, and then I went back to the tutorial, and something else came up, and I don't want to get into it. Anyway, yeah. I'm almost done with the tutorial. I've had to really rethink it, and sorry about that. You want to say hi? Do you want to say hi to everyone? Fiona? Do you want to say hi? Look at the camera? Isn't she so pretty? My baby. Okay, let's get back to why I'm doing this video. Anyway, so yeah, it took me some time to really figure out how I want to make this design easy and understandable, and I kept making mistakes, and I'd put it away, and I'd come back, and this simple little earring, the Gala earrings here, have been my nemesis. This little simple thing, of all the designs I've had to figure out on my own that I've done, this one is just, I don't get it. But anyway, tutorial's almost done. I have some editing to do, but yeah, we're on a roll. So the new date is next week. The 15th, I think, would be, yeah, I think it would be the 15th. I think. Yeah, it is the 15th. Okay. So yes, next Friday is the 15th, so I'll release it then. As far as the winners, I'm here to announce those too. So, who do we have here to start? First person, Barb Boyd. Your kit is already in here and it's ready to go. And I've had like these beads just sitting since March too, actually. I've had them since then, so it's kind of sad. But anyway, Barb Boyd, here's your kit, so your winner. We also have Donna Robinson. Hello. I'm not sure if I've interacted with you, but maybe now I will. So you got a free kit. Here you go. Next person, Devra Kann. Hi, Devra. Here's your free kit for the earrings right here, ready to go. We also have Kimberly Velez. I don't think I have interacted with you, Kimberly, but first time for everything, so hopefully now I will. The kit's in here, ready to go. Last but not least, all the way from across the pond, Jacki Dunning. So here is your kit right here, ready to go. So those are the 5 winners. Those are the 5 people who have won the earring design. And those names have been sitting there waiting on my computer screen since March. So I truly do apologize for that. It was completely unforeseen. This entire past 7 months have just been, I don't even know how to describe it. It has just been absolutely insane. So thought I'd go ahead and have a little time, go ahead and get that done now. Also, I kind of foresee another, I guess if I call it a storm, it'd be a little ungrateful, but there's something else coming up on the horizon, which is like, this is a perfect break for me to just get everything, done and out the way, and I can really focus on getting this tutorial right for everyone to understand. So next Friday, the 15th of November, 2019, I will release it, if not sooner, because I really would like to have it done sooner, but let's give it till then. So, and that same day, on the 15th, I will be shipping out the kits too. So there you go. I will be emailing out the tutorials to all the winners, and I'll also have a link with my YouTube video demo, a link for the PDF that's going to be on my WordPress page. So you can download it then. So you'll have the video, you'll have the PDF instructions all free. So there you go. There are the winners. Again, I truly do apologize. That was not intentional, but I finally got around to it, so I'm happy about that. No, I was about to say that's it, but it's not it. I'm gonna have another giveaway coming up soon. This one is not a tutorial, it's not a kit, but it is a really cool tool that I use all the time. And I ordered like a whole bunch of them to give away, maybe about 5 of them, I don't know, 3, I'm not sure. I ordered a bunch of them to give away, and a few months ago, so this has been like brewing for the past maybe 4 months that I wanted to do this. So give me a couple weeks and I'll do that giveaway, run that contest sort of contest, and then announce the winners in, let's say, December, beginning of December. Sounds like a good time. So yeah, anyway, that's it. Next video for me will be the earring tutorial. So finally it's coming out. I think that's it. I think that's all I have to say right now, which technically really isn't true. There's a lot more I want to say, but I kind of want to wait a little while to get some stuff, you know, going before I announce it. But some other really good news is coming, and I promise you it is, because it's not just me working on it. It's a couple of other people that are working on it too. So keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully in about 2 months. This is November, so let's say around January, I'll have enough going so that way I can fully announce it. So look for some really good news coming January. But that's it. Anyway, again, I hope all of you lovely beaders out there are having a wonderful day, staying warm, working on some really beautiful projects, and I will see you in my next video. Lots of love. Take care. Happy beading. Bye.